Assalamu alaikum. Sabtike? I don't know what any of these.
So this is
Pakora. Oh, bro, you gotta try pakora.
oh, I love pakora.
It's so good.
They boil the fish. Oh my god.
So it's fried fish, and then fried pakora, fried chicken, and this is all homemade. This is the Pakistani KFC. This is KFC. By some egg pakora, egg chicken, chicken pakora. Chicken kebab? Oh, okay, yeah. Wow, look at this. We got a nice little well. Thank you. Clean your hands. Perfect. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, we haven't tried it yet. We just ordered. Pakora. It's good? Okay, thank you. आप कहाँ से है?
Lahore.
Lahore.
Where are you
Nice.
from?
England. Main England से.
Which city?
Sorry?
Which state?
Birmingham. Birmingham.
Nice
Yeah.
to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you, brother. All right, enjoy your food. Very nice locals here. This man spoke perfect English. So we have some paratha or naan. Naan. Okay. Oh, this looks great. I'm actually starving. That's like garlic naan, just how I like it. And we got some pakora, which is so nice. Look at this, guys. Oh yeah, it's basically onions, fried onions, with also fried coriander. And let me tell you guys, this is so good. I'll try a bit now. We also got this mint sauce. Dip it in the mint sauce. That is so good. It's like almost like fries. You'd think it tastes like onion rings, but it's not like onion rings. Really nice. Like fried to perfection. Next we got this kebab, chicken kebab. Okay, I think that's how you eat it. Soft on the inside. Oh, I think that's, doesn't taste like chicken, to be fair. But it's got like vegetables, potato in, fried on the outside to perfection, and then we've also got the garlic naan bread, or just maybe plain naan with a bit of coriander. Lovely little meal. Cheers, boys.
Salud.
Salud. And we got one more thing to come. I have to say, so far this food's been very nice. Ah, it's hot.
I've never heard about this sauce.
Mint sauce.
It's mint sauce?
Oh yeah, we have it in the UK. Do you have you had pakora before?
Yeah. It's been a long time though.
Okay, let's try the chicken, fried chicken. That's good. Not the best chicken I've ever had, but the pakora is insane. I'm gonna get pakora wherever I go now, and I really like this mint sauce. Oh,
Very good.
बहुत लजीज है.